When choosing an affiliate program, there are many things to consider. By carefully choosing which affiliate programs you want to promote, you can earn money quicker and make more money over the long run. One of the first things to consider when choosing an affiliate program is, do you like their products? You need to ask yourself if you would spend your own money to buy the very products you are considering promoting. This is one of the common mistakes of beginning affiliate marketers. They simply choose the affiliate program that pays the highest commission, not on whether or not they would use the product. If you really like the product and would use it yourself, it will make your job of promoting the product much easier. Another thing to consider is how much commission you will earn on each sale. By determining how much you will earn per sale, you can figure out how much you can spend to market the item. The other factor that will determine how much you can spend promoting an item besides the amount of commission per sale is the conversion rate. The conversion rate is usually expressed as a percentage. Usually any product that converts greater than 1% is a great product. By looking at the conversion rate and the amount of commission paid, you can quickly determine if you can afford to promote the product. You may really like the product, but if you have to spend a lot of money to promote it per sale, it doesn't make much sense to join that affiliate program. Your knowledge about that particular product and industry should also be considered when choosing an affiliate program. The more you know about the industry that affiliate program is in, the more likely you are to earn more than other affiliates, which are your competition. When looking at the competition, some people have differing viewpoints. Some people say you should look for small niches to promote products to because you could become a big fish in a small pond. On the other hand, some people say it is easier to make money in areas where people are already spending money. The choice is up to you, which is why you need to use your own skills and knowledge when choosing an affiliate program to promote. Simply picking the latest and greatest affiliate program will not lead to long-term success. By considering these factors, you will start earning commissions sooner.